Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add domain in Vercel. If you want your Vercel app to have a professional web address, adding a custom domain is the way to go. By connecting your domain, visitors can access your site using a branded URL instead of the default Vercel-generated link. Open your browser and go to the Vercel dashboard. Log into your account if you haven't already. On the top right of your dashboard, you'll see an Add button. Click Add, then select Domain from the drop-down menu. This method allows you to add a domain even before selecting a project, and you can link it to any project later. Here, you can either buy a domain, add an existing domain, or transfer in domain. For now, we're going to add an existing domain. Here, you can type in the domain you want to add. Make sure to enter it correctly, without HTTP/HTTPS. Also, make sure it's something relevant and noticeable for you when you access your project. Then click on Continue to proceed. Now, select the project you want the domain to point to from the list of your Vercel projects. Vercel will now prompt you to verify that you own the domain. It will provide DNS records, usually in the form of a record pointing to Vercel's IP and a CNAME record. Go to your domain registrar and add these records exactly as instructed. DNS propagation may take a few minutes or up to 24 hours. Vercel automatically provisions SSL certificates for all connected domains. After verification, confirm that HTTPS is enabled so your site is secure. This ensures data is encrypted and visitors see the padlock icon in their browser. Finally, open your new domain in a browser to confirm it points to your Vercel project. If your app loads correctly, the domain is successfully connected and ready for production use. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.